So if you haven't done deep research yet, this is a really cool tool as well. So this is something that will get you pretty reliable results. So it will make mistakes just like with other types of uses, but the way deep research works is kind of like that thinking model, but far more robust. So rather than maybe 5 turns of models like running through their own filter on your question, it might be like 20 to 100 turns, right? So it might be one bot is, asking this question about like laws related to car accidents, right? It might be like, okay, I'm going to do a search on all the laws related to car accident liability. And then another bot might say, I'm going to do a research into whether there's defenses to that kind of liability. Then another bot might say, I'm going to see what kind of elements are important to satisfy the law to put liability on the table. And another one might say, I'm going to look into how juries view this kind of accident and what the realistic outcomes might look, and so on and so forth, like 50 or 100 times. And the questions are not actually going to be as nuanced, even as I just put. That's not my practice area, but I'm willing to bet that those questions are more nuanced than ChatGPT understands. By the very nature of having 100 different questions and 100 different lines of inquiry, it's going to come up with some pretty good stuff. But basically, you can connect your own internal documents that are then used by the deep research tool, which obviously has the benefit of you using your own vetted documents that the AI is relying on rather than some random thing they find on the internet. So you know that its source is going to be a little bit cleaner than it otherwise would be. So that can save you a lot of time, especially since you need to vet this work very often, right? And so having like a better set of data on which the AI relies is just going to save you lots of time.